Now to when a cough isn't just a cough. Whooping cough cases are climbing in Wisconsin. State health officials confirmed 625 cases. This is a drastic jump. All of last year saw 51 cases. Whooping cough or pertussis starts like a cold, then develops a very bad cough. Wisconsinites aged 11 to 18 currently make up nearly half of all the cases reported this year.
They generally tend to feel well, between coughing spells, but when they have these, they take a lot out of people. They may even vomit after coughing, and they happen day and night, so it really can be disruptive to sleep, and this can go on for weeks. It's called the 100-day cough for good reason.
The jump is not completely unexpected as we get further removed from the COVID pandemic-related isolation. For example, before COVID hit in 2016, Wisconsin saw more than 900 cases. Bottom line, if you're sick, stay home.